In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a chat in Zoho Cliq. Whether you're doing a bit of digital decluttering or just need to remove some unnecessary conversations, deleting a chat in Zoho Cliq is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you can manage your chat history with ease. First, let's locate the main area where all your chat histories are stored. On the Zoho Cliq interface, look to the left sidebar, where you'll find various modules. The one you're interested in is the History module. This section houses all your previous chat conversations, and it's your starting point for managing your chat records. Once you're in the History module, you'll see a list of your conversations. Here you can easily browse and find the specific chat you want to delete. Sorting through these might bring back some memories, but remember, you can always keep the important ones and only discard the unnecessary ones. After you've decided on which chat to remove, select that conversation by clicking on it. This will take you into the chat window, offering you a clear view of all the messages exchanged. Now focus your attention towards the upper areas of the screen. Most people find the Delete or Clear Chat option displayed prominently at the top of the chat window. However, if it isn't immediately visible, don't worry. You might notice a three-dot menu or ellipsis located somewhere around the chat window. Clicking this will reveal additional options, including our sought-after Delete or Clear Chat feature. It's important to note that when you delete a chat, this action will only remove the chat from your own view. Participants on the other side of the conversation will still retain their copies of the chat. This can be particularly handy if you want to declutter your interface without affecting anyone else's records. Once you've found the Delete or Clear Chat option and are ready to proceed, clicking on it will typically prompt a confirmation pop-up window. This step acts as a safeguard, ensuring that you're absolutely certain about wanting to delete the conversation. Confirm your choice by selecting the appropriate option, often labeled as Yes or Confirm in this dialog box, and just like that, the chat will vanish from your view. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a chat in Zoho Cliq. By following these steps, you can keep your Zoho Cliq interface organized and free from clutter. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure that what you're seeing in your chat history is genuinely relevant to you. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions, and happy chatting!